It's Sunday, Oliver. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday. Should be caught up on vlogs. When this is posted, all the vlogs should be out, which is awesome. Hi, Murphy. What are you doing? Is that your box? Dingbat. Stop sleeping. Murphy. Murphy. You look like a rabbit. Stop sleeping and looking so cute. We were taking stuff out of the loft and then in the garage, all of a sudden my grandmother screams, "Another dead bird." So I have to take care of that. Dun, 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 dun. Poor bird. Well, we did not watch as many episodes tonight. My grandmother only made it through 4.5, I think, before she fell asleep. So, didn't get to the 5th. We'll rewatch the 5th one next time, but of Arrow I'm talking about. I'm kind of half asleep because I was just reading, and it's actually one I'm a publicist for that actually releases today, which is awesome. So it's called Skin in the Game. It's football romance. I haven't been into football for a while, but it's not heavy football, so it's good. So I was reading that and falling asleep, not because of the book, but because it was getting so late. So I have to finish the book in the morning and go to sleep now because I'm tired. And I don't think I have anything else to update. Today was not a very substantial day. The only thing was the dead bird, which I did not want to vlog directly because it was a dead bird that I picked up. I was wearing a glove, but still, it was a dead bird. I'm not gonna video that. That was pretty much it. So, I will see you in the morning, and I'm caught up on vlogs! Yay! So, good night.